In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Zoho Projects. We're going to walk through the quickest and simplest way to add a new task using the latest Zoho Projects interface. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to save your task properly so nothing slips through the cracks. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Projects account and that you can see the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar. Look for the option labeled Projects. Go ahead and click on Projects. This is where all of your active projects are listed. From here, choose the specific project where you want to create your new task. Simply click the project name to open it. Once your project loads, you'll see a set of options across the top of the page in the navigation bar. Among these options, find and click on Tasks. This takes you into the dedicated task area for this project, where you can see existing tasks, task lists, and task details. Now that you're in the Tasks section, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Add Task. This is your main shortcut for creating a new task with just a few clicks. Click on Add Task to open the Task Creation panel or pop-up. In this panel, the first thing you'll want to fill out is the task name field. This is where you type the title of your task. Try to make the name clear and specific so that anyone on your team can quickly understand what needs to be done. For example, instead of Update, you might type Update Project Status Report or Review Client Feedback. Next, you'll need to choose a task list. Look for the drop-down labeled Task List. This field is mandatory, which means Zoho Projects won't let you save the task until you've selected a list. Click the drop-down and pick one of the existing task lists that best matches where this task belongs, such as To Do, In Progress, or any custom list your team has set up. Choosing the right list helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to track progress later. Once you've entered the task name and selected the task list, you're ready to save. Go ahead and click the Add button. Zoho Projects will create the task and place it into the task list you selected. You should now see your new task appear in the list, ready to be assigned, updated, and tracked as your project moves forward.